Morning Mist is a throw-sized quilt kit that finishes off at 52 by 67. The pattern is by Scrap Bags, and the collection and the pattern are both designed and written by Jamie Kalvestran. This quilt kit is a beginner-friendly project, and starting off this kit, we have a border stripe in beautiful blues and greens with a geometric flower stripe, The next fabric in this kit is a black geo diamond, followed by a multicolored leafy ombre, as well as a brown painted texture blender. We also have a geo flower, which matches the geo flower in the border stripe from before. We also have a texture flower, which falls back into those greens and blues. We have the panel for the kit, which has a collage feel with the leaves. This panel is a 44 by 24 panel. The collection comes from P&B Textiles and is called Spring in the Northwoods. The next pieces of fabric in this collection, we have a mini sketchy dot with a green background and some blue textures in there. We have a green geo diamond, which matches that black geo diamond, as well as blue and green stained glass leaves. And we have a blue-green sketchy texture and blue painted texture.